I hope my screen is visible to you and I'm audible to you. Quickly type a yes or no. Yeah, great. So let's continue our MCQ prep. You have been given the value of x as x is equal to 1, y is equal to -1 and z is equal to 1. What is the output of the following statement? What is the output of the following program? You have been given x is equal to 1, y is equal to -1 and z is equal to 1. You have been told to find the answer. X is 1, y is equal to -1. What is the value of x? It is 1. So it enters in this. What is the value of y? It is -1. Is -1 greater than 0? No. So what happens? It comes in the else if. It comes in the else if. In the else if, what I do over here, I said z is equal to 1. Is z greater than 1? Yes. So it should display B. It should display B. Are you with me? Okay. So no responses. Let's continue. Boolean even is equal to false. If even is equal to true, it is even. What should be the output of the following code? This else if is with the nearest if. This else if is with the nearest if. It doesn't matter where you written it. It is not a Python. So this else if is always going to match with the nearest if. Is it clear, Anshul? Next question. Boolean even is equal to false. If even equal to true, SOP, it's even. What should be the answer in this case? Even is false. Okay, even is false. If even equal to true, it is a single equal to. So what happens is true gets assigned to even. So this becomes true. Since this becomes true, it will display it is even. It will display it is even. Clear? Int number is equal to 45, boolean even. If number percentage 2 equal to 0, even equal to 0, even equal to true, else even equal to false. This code has been given to you. Int number is equal to 45, boolean even. If number percentage 2 equal to 0, even true, else even false. I want to write this code using a single line. I want to write this code using a single line. So tell me that single line of code which will handle this if else. You have to use a ternary operator. You have to write a ternary operator. So giving you 2 minutes to write the solution for this particular 4 lines. I want a 1 line solution. So what I expected from you was something like this. I wanted you to write a code which would have given a single line of code. So I expected this answer from you. Boolean even is equal to number percentage 2 equal to 0. Okay, even is equal to number percentage 2 equal to 0. So this is a one line of code which is going to handle these 4 lines. If number percentage 2 equal to 0, even equal to true, else even equal to false. So I wanted to write a single line of code. That single line of code was this one. Boolean even is equal to number percentage 2 equal to 0. If this is true, then what will happen? It will assign true. If this is false, it will assign the false. Which method immediately terminates the program? Which method immediately terminates the program? Answer is system.exit 0. So system.exit 0 will terminate the program immediately. Another option is return. So return will directly take you, but that should be in the main. That should be in the main. Otherwise, return will take you back to the function from where it is called. So if you write a return in the main, it will immediately terminate. But this, wherever you write system.exit, is going to terminate the program. Which of the Boolean expression below is incorrect? Which of the Boolean expression below is incorrect? Which of the Boolean expression below is incorrect? Pay attention. A, true and 3 greater than, sorry, equal to greater than 4. So this is an invalid, option. This is perfectly fine. This is also perfectly fine. D is invalid. For example, we said x equal to 0. It should have been x equal to 0. Here we use a single equal to. So this is invalid. And you cannot write something like this in Java. -10 less than x less than 0. You cannot use this kind of a syntax in Java. So the option is ADNE. ADNE. Is it clear? B is perfectly fine. You're just negating it. You're just negating this condition. That's it. If the value of x is 10, is 10 greater than 0? True. So not equal to true will make it false. So it is perfectly fine. So the answer is ADE. Think and answer 2 minutes. Which of the following is the correct expression that evaluates to true if the number x is between 1 and 100 or if the number is negative? So one A and D option are totally gone because they are the wrong syntax. Now let's concentrate on B and C. What it says, which of the following expression is the correct expression that evaluates to true if the number x is between 1 and 100? Okay, let's check. Is x greater than 1 and x less than 100? Okay, and the number is negative, or the number is negative. Okay, sorry, or the number is negative. So the option is B. The option is B. Question number 7. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 5. Which of the following is true? X less than 5. Okay. And y less than 5. Y is 5. 5 is not less than 5. So it is going to return false. X less than 5. True. Or y less than 5. Doesn't matter because one of them is true. So answer is B. Let's check the C. Is x greater than 5? No. False. So no need to evaluate the AND. X greater than 5, 4 greater than 5, no. So let's evaluate the OR operator. Y greater than 5, no. Hence the answer is B. Hence the answer is B. I hope it is clear to you. Assume x is equal to 4. Which of the following is true? X equal to 4 will give me true. Not equal to true will give me false. X not equal to 4 will give me false. X equal to 5 will give me false. X not equal to 5 will give me true. Hence the answer is D. Which of the following is equivalent to writing x not equal to y? X not equal to y. Which of the following is equivalent to x not equal to 5? X equal to 5. If it is true, not equal to will make it true. Not equal to will make it true. So it is as good as x not equal to y. X greater than y and x less than y. At any point of time, both will not be true. X greater than y. Okay. If it is true, or x less than y. So the answer is A, C. Let's check out D. No, it has got greater than equal to. So it is A and C. If x equal to 10 and y equal to 10, what is x after evaluating the expression? Let's understand this. What is x? 10. What is y? Initial 10. So control comes here. Is 10 greater than 10? No. Since this is false, there is no need to evaluate this. There is no need to evaluate this. Hence, what happens? This is not at all evaluated. Since this is not at all evaluated, x is not decremented. Hence, the answer is 10. Hence, the answer is 10. Next case, suppose x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10. What is x after evaluating the expression y greater than 10 and x plus plus greater than 10? Is y greater than 10? No. So what will happen? The next part, x plus plus greater than 10, will not be evaluated, as a result of which the value of x will be 10. Option is B. Question number 12. In this case, y greater than equal to 10 is true. And secondly, we have the OR operator. Control will come over here. Yes or no? Right? See, y is greater than equal to 2. Y is greater than equal to 10. Yes or no? So my question to you is, will this be evaluated? No. So in our case, x will still be 10. X will still be 10. See, we are not checking the true or false value. We are checking that if this expression is given to you on the next line, if I have system.out.println and I'm printing the value of x, what should be the value of x? That we are checking. What is y after the following switch statement is executed? So what is the value of x? It is 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So the condition is true. So y becomes 0. So what happened? There is no break. So control falls over here. Y then becomes 1. And then I have y plus equal to 1. So in this case, what should be the final value of y? It should be 2. It should be 2. Are you with me? Have you understood it? What is x? 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So this condition is true. Since this condition is true and there is no break, it is going to continuously fall. So y first is 0, then it becomes 1, and then it is plus equal to 1, makes it 2. Tell me the answer of the next one. In this case, In this case, the answer is we cannot use a double. We cannot use a double in the switch case. Okay, we cannot use this variable in the switch case. So remember that. It will give me a compile time error. It will give me a compile time error. It will give me compile time error. Next, what is y after executing the following statement? What is y after executing the following statement? Is 0 greater than 0? No. So what is it? False value. What is a false value? Minus 10 is assigned to y. Hence y will be minus 10. What is the order of precedence from high to low for this operator? Plus, star, and, or, and then XOR. So this requires a remembrance of the operators. Okay, so if you do not know it, kindly go through the net and find the precedence of these particular operators and provide the answer. Precedence is which operator will be evaluated first? A plus B into C. So which one will be evaluated first? That is called a precedence. Okay, find out the answer for yourself. I won't be telling you because I want you to go through the precedence table. Question number 18. Find the value of y. X is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 is assigned to x, that 2 is assigned to y, hence the answer is 2. Hence the answer is 2. What is the value of the following expression? True or true and false? What I am trying to tell you is which has got a higher precedence. Will this be evaluated first or will this be evaluated first? Which one will be evaluated first? True or true and false? The answer is and operator has got a higher precedence. So true and false will be evaluated, which gives me false. And then this false value will be used over here. So it becomes true or false, which gives me the answer as true. I hope you understand it. See, first this is going to be evaluated. So this gives me false. True or false should give me true. So next, open your online compiler and run the following commands. System.out.println mat.round 3.6 and tell me what is the answer. Next, mat.floor 3.6. Mat.floor 3.6. Put it in SOP. Next is SOP mat.ceiling 3.6. I want you to try this. Okay, now that you have tried it out, if Unicode value of A is 97, what is the Unicode value of C? What they are saying is same like the ASCII code. The ASCII code. The ASCII code of A is 97. The ASCII code of C is 99. A will be 97, B will be 98, C will be 99, and so on. Suppose I is an integer variable. Which of the following statement displays the character whose Unicode is stored in the variable I? Suppose I is an integer variable. What is the following statement that displays the character? Okay, it displays the character. This is important. So answer is you have to typecast this I to character. Will system.out.println character 4 display 4? Yes or no? No, because you check out what is the value of 4. What is the value of 4? Okay, go to the ASCII chart and find out. Whatever is corresponding to 4, that will be displayed. That will be displayed. Which of the following assignment statement is correct? Character C is equal to D. Character C is equal to 100. Why this is not valid? Check it out. Character C is equal to 100. Character C is equal to double quote D. Double quote D is a string, so that is not valid. Character C is equal to 100. Double quote is a string, so it is not valid. Kindly confirm whether this is valid or not. It is valid. Okay. Next question, 3 minus 2 plus m divided by n is, kindly note, everything is a character. That means they can be represented as a ASCII value. So with that knowledge into consideration, tell me what should be the answer for this. 3 minus 2, 1. M upon N. N has got a greater value. So what will happen? M upon N will give me 0. Hence 3 minus 2 should give me 1. Answer is 1. Go through the following code and tell me what it is going to give me the answer. Give me the answer after 2 minutes. Let everyone solve it. At 11:20, you give me the answer. So in this case, what happens is your number is 25. When you divide 25 by 2, is the remainder 0? No. When you divide 25 by 3, is the remainder 0? No. Okay. So when 25 is divided by 5, is prime is false. Okay. Is prime is false. So what happens is control goes back to the loop. The AND condition is false because I less than number and this condition is false. But before that, what has happened? I plus plus was executed. So it made the value of I as 6. Yes or no? So you get the value of I as 6 and is prime is false. Are you with me? Have you understood it? See, number is 25 divided by 2. So what will happen? This condition is false. 25 divided by 3, 25 divided by 4, 25 divided by 5, remainder is 0. Is prime is false. I plus plus makes it 6. Come over here. Is prime is false. So this AND condition became false. It comes out of this particular loop. And here it displays the value of I as 6. Is prime is false. So in this case, there is a break statement. Because of the break statement, it doesn't execute this. Yes or no? It doesn't execute this. It comes out of this particular loop and the value of I, since it is not incremented, will be 5 and is prime will be false. Is prime is false over here. Find the value of sum. 2 minutes. Do not write the answer before 2 minutes. So how it works? Control comes over here. Item is incremented. Item is at this point 1. Is sum greater than equal to 4? No. Sum is now sum plus item makes it 1. Is item less than 5? Yes. Control goes back. Now what is the value of item? It is 2. Is 2 greater than equal to 4? No. So sum becomes now, what was the value of the previous sum? 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. Item is 2. Is 2 less than 5? No. Makes it as 3. Is sum greater than equal to 4? No. Sum now becomes 3 plus 3, 6. Is item less than 5? No. Item becomes 4. Is sum greater than equal to 4? Yes. So what happens? This continue doesn't allow this statement to be executed. Control goes back. Value of item is 5. Is sum is sum greater than equal to, is sum greater than equal to 4? Yes. So what should happen? Item should now be 6, right? And is 6 greater than 5? Is 6 less than 5? No. No, before that only, is 5 less than 5? No. So it should come and display the value of sum as 6. It should display the final value of sum as 6. Suppose your method does not return any value. Which of the following keyword can be used as a return type? The answer is void. The answer is void. That was pretty straightforward. Okay, the signature of the method consists of, the signature of the method consists of method name and parameter list, return type, method name and parameter list. The answer is method name and parameter list. The signature of the method is method name and parameter list. The signature of the method consists of the function name and the parameter list, which decides the function overloading. Okay, return type is not a part of the function signature. Hence, the answer is method name and parameter list. All Java applications should have one method, and that is called the main, and that signature will be public static void main string argument, which will be this one. और कोई void है, void कहां पर भी नहीं है, static भी नहीं है. Answer is C. Does the return statement in the following code causes a compiler error? Does the return statement in the following method causes the compiler error? No. See, here we have the return type as void, but here we are not returning any value. So only return is perfectly fine. Return without any return value is perfectly fine. If you simply say return, it is going to transfer the control back. Even if you say void, it is going to come out of the program. Yes or no? The same thing is being taken care of. You're not saying return 1, return 0, return -1 or something like that. So this will not cause any compiler time error. Is it clear? No runtime error, no compile time error. Because here only we have written return statement. It is as good as void. We are not saying return some value. Given the following code, what should be written over here in the fill in the blanks? What should be the return type of the print grade function? It should be void because we are not returning any value. Given the following method, what is the output of the following call? If, for example, this function is called with a and 4, what should be the output? Why it is error, Akshit? Why it is an error? Okay, good. We are passing a character and in the function we are saying string. It is not allowed. It is not allowed. So here this particular parameter should be character. If we had written something like this, then it would have worked. Double quotes A. Here it is a single character. Here the data type should be character. But if you do something like this, it will work perfectly fine because it's a string. Because it's a string. Output in this case, any error in this example? Answer is, in this case you're passing an integer and a long. Do I have a function with integer and long? Absolutely no problem. So the output will be int and long and then the value. What is the value we are returning? N. What is n? An integer, which is 5. So it should display int long and then 5. I hope it is clear to you. We are passing an int over here. Okay, we are passing an int. There is a parameter int and long. In the next case there is a parameter called as long. So this is out of question because it is not matching with signature. Here it is signature is 5. Here we are passing a long. Int is converted to long, so we get long and then it will return this. So we'll get 5. We'll get 5. Next example, think for a minute. Yes, it is ambiguity. You are passing 1 and 2. So in the first case, it is int and double. In the next case, it is double and int. So it doesn't understand which particular function to execute. So it is a error. It's an error. Good. In this case, it's an error. For a very simple reason, signature are same. Signature are same. This is Function name is m along with the parameter int. Function name is same along with the parameter. Both of them are integer. Return type is not a part of the method signature for overloading. Hence, it is going to give me an error. So the following is incorrect. Int square bracket a is equal to new int 2, perfectly well. Int a is equal to new int 2, fine. Int square bracket a is equal to new int round bracket, not allowed. Int a is equal to new int 2, not allowed. Bracket square brackets are not there. Int a round bracket. Answer is C, D, E. Answer is C, D, E. What is the value of x0? So when an array is declared by default, it is automatically initialized to 0. Hence, x0 will give me 0. Which of the following are valid? A not valid, double D is equal to new double valid, C is equal to int square bracket I is equal to 3432, perfectly fine. And character square bracket is equal to new char. Here it is wrong. Character C is equal to new char for ABCD size is not required. So the answer is B and C. Answer is B and C. Okay, that will be the end of the session. Okay, so let's continue tomorrow at the same time. So let's continue tomorrow at the same time. All these particular notes are uploaded on the drive. Okay, everything is uploaded. You can go through it. Yes, there will be a class tomorrow. That's what I announced.